Okay, today we're going to start with the very first thing I taught you about starting your sloppy copy. First thing I want to do is write my name in the top left corner and make sure we write the date. This is important so that we can see the progression of how wonderful you become as writers. Once the date is there, the next thing I'm going to do is put X's. I'm going to skip the very first line and put X's all the way down, almost touching the pink line, but on the outside of the pink line, because I want to be able to use all this space to write my story or whatever it is I'm choosing to write that day. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by indenting just a tiny bit, and I'm going to start my story, and this story is going to be about me telling you about my family. So I started last week with my family is amazing and I love them so much. They mean the world to me. My mom and dad are almost 70 and live in Ohio. Now again, I'm not stopping to check for spelling. I think I probably spelled world wrong, so I'm going to quick underline it after I sound it out and then move on. I might be missing some punctuation, and that's okay because I'm going to pay closer attention to it when I go back and edit and revise. But I just want to get my thoughts on paper. I also remember I want to go all the way to the end and use all the space. And when I come back to this line, to come all the way back to the pink line. The next thing I'm going to talk about is my sisters. I have 2 sisters. One lives in Columbus, Ohio, with her family, and my other sister lives in the Netherlands with hers. When we get together in the summers, we laugh and have the best time swimming in my parents' pool. When I don't see them, I FaceTime them a lot, but I still miss them all the time. So now that I'm done with my sloppy copy, I'm going to put this aside, and then tomorrow I'm going to reread it before I edit and revise. So we'll see what we do tomorrow. See you then.